Good day from the Office of the Mob Justice Football. Here comes your advocate. Here comes your advocate, Ndei War. Even now, the waiting still continues. There's no seasonal ticket for both Orlando Pirates and Kaizer Chiefs Football Club. Something very disappointing since we've been waiting since the end has just ended in May, June, July. Even now in August, there is no seasonal ticket for both two biggest clubs in this country. Who is really failing in this moment? Is it because we have changed from Ticket Pro to Open Ticket? Is this a stadium management of South Africa? Is it Orlando Pirates? Is it Kaizer Chiefs? What is really the stumbling blocks for us seasonal ticket holder, wish customer, to be able to hold our seasonal ticket for this season of 2025-2026? Last year, I've made a video bragging about the seasonal ticket that was working for me throughout the whole entire season. But it doesn't look like this season we are going to get the same treatment as we got last time. There is a variety of benefits for a supporter to hold a seasonal ticket, which I'll be able to highlight. It saves time, number one. It also aligns with the budget, because once you buy, you know that you have bought and you're going to have access to all home games of that particular team, since you have bought them at a certain particular period. Throughout the studies, when I was studying, I've learned that there is variety of tickets and there's modifications that happen over generation to generation. However, I believe through the generation that we are living on, a seasonal ticket, it is a must and a need for supporters to be able to carry those seasonal tickets. There's variety of tickets in a football matches, ranging from the premium presidential suits, ranging to all those categories of suits. There's also a family suits as well that is also there. Hospitality tickets, which offers a variety of benefits as compared to other tickets. There is what we call a seasonal ticket, the one that we are advocating for in this particular moment, which grant the football supporters to be able to attend all selected particular matches. If it's all home games, including derby, for example, in Orlando Pirates, that's what we are talking about in a seasonal ticket. So you don't have to buy, or caringly, you buy once and be able to host that card that will be having your name in that particular time. There is what we call a paper ticket. Usually this one you get them from, these paper tickets, we always get them from retail outlets. For example, now Chiefs and Pirates, they are in open ticket, meaning that we get this from Checkers, ShopRite, and USave. Those are paper tickets. So now there's also mobile tickets, something that is really improving, but it also involves dangers, where you procure your tickets and the open ticket will be able to make that ticket available during the game time. What happens when you're not longer going to a stadium, you can also be able to transfer that particular tickets to a certain supporter and it will print their name. Those are the mobile tickets. And they also have what they call badge access. The badge access is those ones that these tickets provide a special access and a privilege. You see those ones like usually this one, they apply them at PSL, like the one of media, the one of other staff and all those things and all those stuff. Even photographers, they got the badge access, where they got an exclusive access to a certain area. So our biggest question this time around is, what really happened to the seasonal tickets? What is it that the team are trying to avoid by selling a seasonal ticket? Does it involve a lot of frauds? What did the ticketing third party manage to experience with the seasonal ticket? Obviously, it was a Ticket Pro. What did they experience that makes them to do away with the seasonal tickets? Let's find out, supporters. Are we not in the era where we deserve seasonal tickets? Why is the seasonal tickets not yet out? Looking on the time frame today, it is Wednesday, and in 2 days to go, there will be a match which we are supposed to buy tickets. What do we do here? Stadium management, Pendula.